Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef jerky on a pellet smoker. First, select a lean cut of beef, such as top round or flank steak, ensuring it's well trimmed of all fat. Fat can cause your jerky to spoil quickly. Next, slice the meat into uniform strips, about 1/4 inch thick. Slicing against the grain will result in a more tender jerky, while slicing with the grain yields a chewier texture. Consistency and thickness is key for even drying. Now let's get that beef bursting with flavor. Create a marinade using a base of soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Then add your preferred spices like garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and a touch of cayenne for heat. Place the sliced beef into a resealable bag or shallow dish, ensuring every strip is completely covered by the marinade. Refrigerate for a minimum of 6 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding these jerky making tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And on another note, imagine enjoying your delicious homemade jerky while listening to your favorite tunes. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for setting the mood. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your beef marinated, it's time to prepare the smoker. Preheat your pellet smoker to a low temperature, ideally between 160 and 180 degrees Fahrenheit. This low heat is crucial for drying the meat slowly without cooking it. Carefully lay the marinated beef strips directly onto the smoker grates, making sure they do not overlap. Good airflow is essential for even drying. If you have a jerky rack, now is the perfect time to use it to maximize your smoker's capacity. Now for the smoking process itself. Allow the jerky to smoke for approximately 3 to 6 hours, or until it reaches your preferred level of dryness and chewiness. The exact time will vary based on your smoker, meat thickness, and ambient conditions. To test for doneness, take a piece, let it cool, and then bend it. It should crack slightly but not snap in half. Remember to rotate the jerky occasionally to ensure even drying across all pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.